Ever notice how some muscle cars are like Hollywood A-listers, always stealing the spotlight, while others are like that one guy at the party who casually mentions he bench presses 400 pounds? Yeah, today we're talking about those cars. The underrated, overlooked, and straight-up forgotten muscle machines of the 60s, 70s, and 80s. These beasts had the horsepower, the style, and the attitude, but for some reason, they never got the fame they deserved. Maybe they were too ahead of their time, maybe their marketing team took too many coffee breaks, or maybe people were just too distracted by the Mustangs and Camaros of the world. Either way, we're here to set the record straight. And yes, before you yell at us in the comments, we probably forgot one. But hey, that's what second gear's for, right? Let's fire them up. 1960s, the dawn of muscle. First up is the 1964 Mercury Marauder 427, a full-size muscle car that paired elegance with raw power. The Marauder was equipped with Ford's potent 427 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering exceptional horsepower and torque. This car didn't just excel on straight roads. Its handling for a car of its size was surprisingly adept. While most muscle car enthusiasts focus on smaller, sportier models, the Marauder stands out for offering big performance in a refined package. Its spacious interior made it a comfortable cruiser, perfect for long road trips. But its true personality came alive on the open road, where its engine roared to life. It was the epitome of combining luxury with raw muscle. Next, we have the 1965 Dodge Coronet 500. The Coronet 500 bridged the gap between luxury and performance, especially when fitted with the optional 426 HEMI engine. This powerhouse turned the Coronet into a street beast, rivaling the best of its time. With its understated design, it appealed to buyers who wanted performance without sacrificing comfort and style. The interior was spacious and well-appointed, making it ideal for families who didn't want to compromise on power. On the drag strip, the Coronet 500 with the HEMI proved it could compete with more aggressive-looking muscle cars. Following is the 1967 Oldsmobile 442. Often overshadowed by the Pontiac GTO, the Oldsmobile 442 brought serious performance to the table. Its 400 cubic inch V8 engine produced impressive power, while its balanced handling set it apart. The 442 wasn't just a straight-line performer, it offered an excellent blend of agility and comfort, making it a favorite for those who valued both speed and sophistication. With unique styling cues and a reputation for reliability, the 442 was a car that could take on any road with confidence. We cannot forget the 1968 Mercury Cyclone GT. As the lesser-known sibling of Ford's Torino, the Cyclone GT delivered robust performance with its 390 cubic inch V8 engine. Mercury's take on the muscle car formula emphasized aerodynamic styling and powerful engines. But the Cyclone GT never gained the same level of fame as its competitors. Its distinctive design, complete with bold stripes and a fastback roofline, gave it a unique presence. This underrated gem deserves recognition for its combination of style and muscle, offering a thrilling driving experience. To round out the 60s, we have the 1969 AMC Rebel machine. Known for its striking patriotic paint scheme, the AMC Rebel machine was a bold statement on wheels. Powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 engine, producing 340 horsepower, it offered serious performance. The Rebel machine wasn't just about looks. Its performance credentials were solid, and it could hold its own against more famous competitors. Despite being overshadowed by the big three automakers, the Rebel machine has earned a cult following among enthusiasts who appreciate its unique styling, raw power, and rarity. 1970s, the evolution of muscle. First up is the 1970 Buick GS 455 Stage 1. Buick wasn't known for aggressive performance, but the GS 455 Stage 1 changed that perception. This sleeper packed a 455 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering 360 horsepower and an astonishing 510 foot-pounds of torque. Its unassuming exterior hid a beast of an engine that could dominate the streets. The Stage 1 combined luxury and muscle like no other, offering features like plush seats and refined ride quality alongside blistering acceleration. Next, we have the 1971 Pontiac GT37. Dubbed the poor man's GTO, the GT37 was an affordable alternative to its more famous sibling. Available with powerful 400 or 455 cubic inch V8 engines, it delivered thrilling performance at a lower price point. Its minimalist design made it an attractive option for those who wanted muscle without the frills. Despite its lower cost, the GT37 offered impressive performance and a driving experience that rivaled higher-priced models. Following is the 1970 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. The Cougar Eliminator brought a touch of luxury to the muscle car scene. With engine options like the Boss 302 and the 428 Cobra Jet, it offered serious performance. The Eliminator's sleek styling and refined interior made it a unique blend of power and sophistication, though it never achieved the fame of Ford's Mustang. The Eliminator was more than just a pretty face. It was a capable performer on both the street and the track. Next is the 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Rally 350. This bright yellow muscle car featured a 350 cubic inch V8 engine producing 310 horsepower. The Rally 350 stood out with its bold styling, including color-matched bumpers and aggressive graphics. It was a stylish performer that offered excellent value for money. The Rally 350 proved that you didn't need a massive engine to have fun. Its balanced chassis and responsive steering made it a joy to drive. The list is incomplete without the 1970 Plymouth Duster 340. The Duster 340 proved that great things could come in small packages. This lightweight, affordable muscle car was powered by a 340 cubic inch V8 engine that delivered impressive speed and handling. Its nimble size made it perfect for city driving, while its powerful engine ensured it could dominate on the drag strip. It was a no-nonsense performance car that appealed to younger buyers looking for thrills on a budget. Following is the 1970 Ford Torino Cobra. Often overshadowed by the Mustang, the Ford Torino Cobra was a serious contender in the muscle car arena. Its optional 429 Super Cobra Jet V8 engine made it a beast on the drag strip. The Torino's aerodynamic design and powerful engine lineup make it one of the era's most underrated muscle cars. With its aggressive styling and potent performance, the Torino Cobra deserved more recognition. Next up on the list is the 1974 AMC Hornet S C360. This compact muscle car from AMC delivered surprising performance. Powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 engine, it combined lightweight design with impressive power. The Hornet offered a unique take on the muscle car formula, proving that big performance could come in a small package. Its affordability and rarity make it a sought-after classic today. Who remembers the 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS 454? Known more for luxury than performance, the Monte Carlo SS 454 surprised many with its big block power. Its 454 cubic inch V8 engine produced up to 360 horsepower, making it a force to be reckoned with. The Monte Carlo offered a blend of luxury and muscle that few cars could match. Its refined ride and powerful engine made it a standout in its class. Finally, we have the 1971 Dodge Charger Super B. The Super B was often overlooked in favor of the Challenger or Charger RT, but it offered incredible value. With big block engine options like the 446 pack, it delivered thrilling performance at an affordable price. The Super B's aggressive styling and raw power make it a standout from the era. It was a car for those who wanted unfiltered muscle car performance without breaking the bank. 1980s, the muscle car resurgence. Up first is the 1987 Buick Regal Turbo T. All right, V8 purists, take a deep breath. Yes, we know this isn't an 8-cylinder beast, and yes, we're still calling it a muscle car. If that ruffles your feathers, just pretend it's got 2 extra cylinders hiding somewhere. But for those who appreciate speed in a sneaky package, the Buick Turbo T was a true sleeper. A stealthy alternative to the Grand National, the Turbo T was a wolf in sheep's clothing. Its turbocharged V6 engine delivered exceptional performance, rivaling many V8-powered cars of the era. The Turbo T proved that muscle cars didn't have to be loud and flashy to be fast. With its understated appearance, it was the perfect ride for those who wanted serious performance, without attracting every cop in town. 1983 Ford Mustang GT. The early Fox body Mustangs didn't get the love they deserved at the time, but the 50 GT delivered serious performance. Its lightweight design and powerful V8 engine made it a favorite among enthusiasts. Today, it's celebrated as one of the cars that helped revive the muscle car scene. The GT's combination of affordability and performance made it a hit among younger drivers. Up next is the 1987 Pontiac Firebird Formula 350. Often overshadowed by the Trans Am, the Formula 350 offered similar performance in a more understated package. Powered by a 5.7-liter V8 engine, it delivered impressive speed and handling. The Formula 350 remains a hidden gem among 80s muscle cars, offering a driving experience that rivaled more expensive competitors. We must mention the 1989 Dodge Shelby Dakota. I know, it's a truck. But come on, when Carroll Shelby gets his hands on something, it automatically deserves a mention. If he had built a lawnmower, we'd probably be talking about that too. A collaboration between Dodge and Carroll Shelby, the Shelby Dakota was a muscle truck that packed a serious punch. Its 5.2-liter V8 engine turned this lightweight pickup into a street performer, blending muscle car power with truck utility. The Shelby Dakota was an innovative take on muscle, proving that performance wasn't just limited to cars. Sometimes it came with a bed and tailgate too. Next on the list is the 1980 Pontiac Trans Am Turbo. While not as celebrated as earlier Trans Ams, the turbocharged 4.9-liter V8 was a bold experiment in muscle car evolution. It offered unique styling and advanced technology for the time, making it a standout among 80s muscle cars. The Turbo Trans Am was a car ahead of its time, blending turbocharging with classic muscle car aesthetics. And finally, we have the 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. The Monte Carlo SS brought performance back to Chevy's lineup with its aerodynamic design and high-output 305 cubic inch V8 engine. While it wasn't as powerful as its 60s predecessors, it was a step forward in reviving the muscle car spirit. The Monte Carlo SS balanced style, performance, and comfort, making it a popular choice in its day. From full-size powerhouses to compact sleepers, these underrated muscle cars represent some of the best examples of automotive ingenuity and performance. Each of these vehicles played a role in shaping the muscle car legacy, proving that sometimes the most underappreciated models offer the greatest surprises. Whether you're a fan of the classic 60s designs, the bold 70s innovations, or the 80s resurgence, there's no denying the impact of these hidden gems. Which of these muscle cars is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.